Good day, viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. So the question reads, solve the simultaneous equation. So here we have these two systems of equations. We have x divided by 2 minus y divided by 6 is equal to 1. And x divided by 3 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 1 over 5. So we need to solve these two systems of equations simultaneously by finding the value of x and the value of y. So first thing, we are going to rewrite our equations. So the first one, we have x divided by 2 minus y divided by 6. So we name this as equation 1. Then we also have x divided by 3, then plus y divided by 2 is equal to 1 over 5. So for this one, we left a 1 here. So we name this as equation 2. So now, since we have equation 1 and equation 2, and when you look at these two equations, they are in fraction form. So the first thing that you must do is, you must get rid of the fractions by ensuring that in equation 1, you multiply it throughout with the lowest common multiple. And equation 2, you also multiply it with the lowest common multiple. So for equation 1, since we have 2 and 6, these are the denominators. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6, it's 6. So meaning that we are going to multiply everything in equation 1 by 6. So now 6 times x over 2. So 2 into 6, it's 3. 3 times x, you are going to get 3x minus, again, 6 into 6, it's 1. 1 times y, you get y, equal to 6 times 1, you get what? 6. So this is our equation 1, okay? Then we come to equation 2. The denominators that we have 3, 2, 5. So we find the lowest common multiple, okay? We find the lowest common multiple of 3, 2, and 5, which is equal to what? 30. So meaning that we are going to multiply this by 30, like this. So 30 times x over 3. So 3 into 30, it's 10. 10 times x, we are going to remain with 10x. Plus 2 into 30, it's 15. 15 times y, you write 15y, equal to 30 times 1 over 5. So 5 into 30 goes there, how many times? 6. 6 times this one here, you get a 6. So this is our equation 2. So you can see that we have simplified these equations, okay, by getting rid of the fractions. So what's next here? Look at the equations that you have. So equation 1, we have 3x minus y is equal to 6. Equation 2, we have 10x plus 15y is equal to 6. So we need to look at the equation that is very simple, of which we are going to use substitution method. So here, when you look at equation 1, we have 3x minus y is equal to 6. So this means that since this y is having the coefficient of 1, we can make it as the subject of the formula by getting this positive 6 to come to the left hand side and the negative y to go on the right hand side. So we are going to have, this will be y is equal to 3x. So when positive 6 comes to the left hand side, it's going to be a negative 6. So here we have made y as the subject of the formula. So now go to equation 2. So this is our equation 2. 10x plus 15y is equal to 6. So we are going to write down this equation 2, which is 10x plus 15y is equal to 6. So meaning that where there is y, you are going to substitute this because we have made y the subject of the formula on this equation 2. So we are going to write 10x plus 15. So here where there is a y, we are going to put 3x minus 6 because we are saying y is equal to 3x minus 6. So we are substituting where there is y, we put 3x minus 6 so that we calculate for x. Then is equal to what? A 6. This is a 6 here. Okay. Then from here, we can expand by saying 10x, okay, plus. So 15 times 3 You multiply 15 times 3, this will give us 45x, because 15 times 3x, 45x. Positive times negative is negative. 15 times 6, this will give us 90, then equal to 6. So from here, what are we going to do? We can just simplify, where we say 10x plus 45x, okay? This will give us 55x is equal to, and this is, so here we're adding here positive 90, again to the left hand side positive, to the right hand side positive 90. So these will cancel right here. 6 plus 90, this will be 96. So I want to find the value of x. We are going to divide to both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is 55. Even here we divide by 55. So this and this will cancel. You remain with x is equal to 96 divided by 55. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now we can find the value of y. And to find the value of y, it's very easy. Why? Because we made y as the subject of the formula, which is right here. So we are going to pick this equation, which is y is equal to 3x minus 6. So remember, we have said x is equal to what? X is equal to, so we know the value of x, which is 96 divided by 55. So this means that to find the value of y, where there is x, you are going to substitute with the value of x, which is 96 divided by 55. So this will be y is equal to, so 3, where there is this x, we'll put 96 divided by what? 55. Then minus a 6. Okay, so this is what we have. We can write y is equal to, so here we can just try to expand. We say 3 times 96. This will be 288 divided by 55 minus 6. So therefore, y equal to, so once you punch on your calculator here, y is equal to 288 divided by 55 minus 6. This will give us negative 42 divided by 55. So this is the value of y. So this means that x is equal to 96 over 55 and y is equal to negative 42 divided by 55. So these are the values of x and y. So if you want to check, in order, if you want to prove, you can prove. I've done that already, and they are giving us the correct, these are correct values, because once we plug them into the original question here, you put here the value of x and the value of y, you get 1. You put the value of x and the value of y, you get 1 over 5. Okay, so we've come to the end of our short presentation. Thank you so much, everybody. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.